And I think, Minister Vaz, this raises questions about the training that these drivers have had, because it defies rational behavior, yeah, that they are trained, they would have been told, I would imagine, listen, the focus is on safety. This is not robot taxi now. This is not a robot where you dash between halfway tree and Papine, yeah, and you break all the rules of the traffic code. You're carrying school children. Therefore, you have to stay within the speed limit for the program. You cannot be speeding with the buses. And we have the technology in place, yeah, that will capture whenever you break the limit. Him never know that? No, no. So see there, 14 times in one day. And we'd love to know what action has been taken against him, Minister Vaz. What action? Yeah? Because it makes no sense, that you put in the systems, you catch them, and you give them a slap on the wrist. He should be fired. And every one of them know that he's fired. Make an example of him. Yes. No, fire him. When you fire him, the message will get out. 14 violations after training.